Hello guys, yes, this is Kokoyo Food PH and welcome to another food escapade here in Davao City. Ngayon nga ay nandito ako ngayon sa Turil, here specifically at Dine and Chill Snack House na kung saan they offer unlimited hamburgers, fries, at saka hotdog sa buns at milk tea na kung saan ito talaga yung paborito ko. So I'm so excited. Tara, mangaon, manginom ta. Let's go. Okay, so right now, as you can see, meron tayong another mukbang again. And dito sa Dine and Chill Snack House, we have different foods na pwede yung papakin. And meron tayong burger and fries. Ito yung sinasabi nilang unlimited na burger and fries, no? They also have tacos, spaghetti, fries na maraming flavors. Ito yung hotdog with buns, pasta, and sisig. No? They have pork and chicken sisig. And also they have chicken na spicy to kanina kasi natikman ko yung sauce. Medyo spicy to pero try natin yung lasa ng chicken. Pero ba tayong nakalimutan? Ay, ito. I-ask natin. Sa ganyan siya?
Squid ring po.
Okay, squid ring. Okay, so they also have chillers like milk tea. I guess this is matcha. And meron silang juice. Ito yung pang pa-refresh, diba? Talagang kumpleto dito sa Dine and Chill. Dito located sa Turil, Davao City, just beside Gmall Turil. So madali lang siyang puntahan, guys. So tara, papakin na natin. This is Kokoyo Food PH. Let's go. Hello guys, so right now we are gonna try mga foods dito sa Dine and Chill, located here in Turil, Davao City. And I'm so excited. Siyempre, unahin natin yung fries, burgers, chicken, tacos, milk tea, juices, marami pang iba actually. So, tatry na natin. Ano bang uunahin natin, guys? So, uunahin natin siyempre itong buns. As you can see. Yun. Isang gustong buns? Gusto ka buns? Akin na lang. Okay, so, natry na natin. Sarap ng sauce. Sarap ng sauce actually. But yung sauce na is kinda siyang sauce sa mga McDonald's or something. Masarap yung sauce niya actually. With mayo at saka cheese. Okay na okay.
Sa gulod sa adobo.
Okay din yung fries nila. So, meron tayong bagong guys. Papakita ko lang sa inyo. Yun, it's sisig, which is one of my favorite Pinoy foods. Ang next naman natin, guys, yung burger. This is my favorite burger. Grabe ang sauce. Tapos nilagyan namin ng special sauce. Sarap. Beef niya is very thick, no? And the sauce, grabe. Of course, specialized na yung sauce niya because for the photo shoot. Pero basically yung sauce niya masarap talaga. Maganda yung lasa. Ito yung sisig. Because as you all know, sisig is my favorite paborito. At ito na yung, yung sisig. Tingnan nyo naman guys. Umuusok pa. Food PH. Yung sisig nila, of course, meron doon yung usual na taste ng sisig. But meron siyang something different or different na lasa, uncomparable to other sisig na malalasahan mo no, sa ibang restos. Yeah, it's great. Oh, tamang sisig.
Kaya ba sabi na?
Ganun ba? Pala. Hello guys, so that is our Dine and Chill Snack House episode dito nga sa Turil, Davao City. So grabe, busog na busog ako guys, and tingnan nyo guys, nagbaon na talaga ako. And for more information guys, you can check our Facebook, Instagram, lahat yan, Food PH, and also on TikTok. Sana supportahan nyo mga local food vloggers dito sa Pilipinas. So I'm so excited. Thank you so much. This is Kokoy Food PH. Is now again. Is now whoosh, signing off.